Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on the 3D map view in Waze. So Waze can display the map in a 3D perspective, giving you a more natural view of the road and surrounding area while navigating. Turning it on, it can make it easier to understand your roads and the upcoming turns. So to enable the 3D map view, you will need to open Waze on your phone and start the navigation session, or just tap the menu icon, your profile icon, that's located at the top left corner. So right here you will find an option. It says settings, including the gear icon next to it on the left side. So just go ahead and tap it. So now you will need to look for display or map display depending on your Waze version. So just go ahead with map display. It's the second option and they're general on the first section. So right here guys, you will need to find the option related to 3D view or map view and enable it if available. So you can then return to the navigation screen, check whether the map is displayed from a tilted 3 dimensions perspective. So actually guys, here where you can turn it on, so that's the map view option. You go right here and just go and tap on the 3D, right? So on some versions of Waze you can switch between different map perspective directly from the navigation screen. So you only just to look for a compass or map view button and tap it to change the viewing angle. So you may need to tap or interact with the map or switch or to switch from the standard overhead view to a tilted perspective. So actually that's how it looks like now, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.